Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's Bible meditation on James chapter 1, verses 2 through 6, Finding Hope in Trials. I'm your host, Dr. Dawn-Elise Snipes. Count it all joy, my brothers, when you meet trials of various kinds, for you know that the testing of your faith produces steadfastness, and let steadfastness have its full effect, that you may be perfect and complete, lacking in nothing. If any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask God, who gives generously to all people without reproach, and it will be given to him. But let him ask in faith with no doubting, for the one who doubts is like a wave of the sea that is driven and tossed by the wind. We're facing a lot of trials these days. So I encourage you through this passage, instead of seeing trials as threats that fuel anger or anxiety, try to see them as challenges. Think to yourself, what do I have right now that I'm grateful for? What do I have in my life that makes it rich and meaningful? And then for each trial you're facing, ask, in what ways is this trial actually going to impact me? Not in what ways do I fear it's going to impact me, because fear is not something that we want to focus on. We want to focus on facts. What do I actually know about this situation and how it's going to impact me? And if you need to get more knowledge, then go ahead, by all means, get more knowledge. But make your decisions based in fact, not in emotion. And ask yourself for each trial, what spiritual tools can I use to address it? In what ways will prudence or gaining wisdom and patience, in what ways can this help me address this particular trial? Earnestness, doing our best and keeping our word. Sometimes we just have to continue to work earnestly and put one foot in front of the other until something passes, because there's nothing we can do to change it. Respect for self and other. In what ways might respect be able to be used to address this trial? Now remember that each trial is different and all of these won't apply, but this is your toolbox. So consult your toolbox and figure out, is this a situation, is this trial one in which forgiveness of myself or forgiveness of other people might help me get through it? Is this one of those trials that I just have to sit back and endure patiently? In what way can compassion for myself and other people help me feel connected and feel stronger and get me through this trial? How can being truthful with myself and with other people impact me in this particular trial? And in what ways can other people help me get through this situation? How can I be selfless and recognize that I can't do it all on my own? I need my brethren. I need every part of the body of Christ.